त्यांनी दिसलो फ्रॉम आंबेली ह्या दिसांनी लोकसभा इलेक्शन बोवाळ चलता कोण हो बसता तो बसता सगळे बसत म्हणटाय काँग्रेस बीजेपी आरजीपी आणि कोण टीएमसी सगळे तयार करताय आता गेलते इलेक्शना इतले आम्ही सांगून सालसेटा म्हणून इफेक्ट झालो आमी गेलो पण ओवरऑल गोवा वी लॉस्ट लिटरली वी लॉस्ट बिकॉज वी डी नॉट हॅव अ क्लियर मॅन्डेट आणि आता ह्या लोकसभाक हे भाशेन जायना जावपाक एक थोडी हांव म्हायती दिवपाक सोदिता म्हज्या कडल्यान काम अवेअरनेस करपाचें एक चाये पाल पडल्यार ती चाव पिनाका पिवपा जायी फुशी तुमगेली आता इलेक्शना स्टॅटिस्टिक्स प्रमाण सांगता गेल ते ह्या इलेक्शना असेंब्ली पोल्साचे वोटिंग सांगता ना एवरीथिंग मे नॉट बी परफेक्ट देर कुड बी सम डिफरन्सीस but this we can take it as a litmus and go ahead in the coming Lok Sabha election. So before कोणे मन कोच पहिले जे मन लाय पहिले बीजेपी 1,30,03,430 मत पडले 1,30,03,000 सुमार काँग्रेसा पडले 1,34,000 रेव्होल्युशनरी गोवाना पडले 45,000 आम आदमी पळय 36,995 धरतो एनसीपी पळय 10,000 अप्रॉक्सिमेटली टीएमसी पळय 52,000 अप्रॉक्सिमेटली इंडिपेंडंटान वयले 52,000 आणि नोटा म्हणून पळय 4,600 सुमार आता ह्या स्टॅटिस्टिक्स प्रमाणे लोकसभा इलेक्शनाक 110% either BJP can win or Congress can win if all these other people contest separately. And in that bargain, जरी तर हे सगळे separately बसत दारीत, there are more chances that the BJP will definitely win this election for the Lok Sabha. आता सगळे म्हणटाय BJP defeat दिवपा जाय suppose. If BJP defeat दिवपा जाय तू very clear cut statistics wise RGP with 45,000 votes cannot get their vote share increased by more than 200%. It is almost a Herculean difficult task. So that means RGP will have to get more than 1,35,000 votes to win that seat. दुसरे म्हणल्यार आम आदमी पार्टी हो तो तेजा सकला RGP जावन so 36,000 votes gain आम आदमी पार्टीच्यान हे मल्टिप्लाय करून जायना ऑलमोस्ट 4 times करपा पडो तेणे विच इज ऑलमोस्ट एन इम्पॉसिबल एन अ हर्कुलियन टास्क थर्ड आता एनसीपी तो आमी बोगले देऊ ना एने बसपा चिंतपाचे न्हू लोकसभाक हो तो क्वेश्चन टू भायर यू हॅव टू सपोर्ट वन ऑफ दीज पार्टीज देन कम द टीएमसी अगेन टीएमसी आम आदमी आणि आरजीपी they are almost in the reckoning to fight these coming elections. Independent, although they have 50,000, 52,000 votes, they cannot be put in the reckoning of this RGP, Aam Aadmi and TMC because हे independent आणि 100 जण आहे वांट हायलोले नोटा म्हणतो आता सध्या we'll keep it aside because it's approximately 4,000 votes. आता the only way if everybody is like-minded and if everybody want to defeat BJP and if they want to keep BJP out in South Goa, this all statistics is of South Goa. Zori that they want to have a mind to defeat BJP if they say there are only two options. One of these parties, RGP, Aam Aadmi, otherwise TMC, will have to support Congress. This is one option. Even NCP can support Congress. Then only there are chances of Congress winning the seat and getting the purpose of defeating the BJP. Or there's another option. The second option is maybe RGP, Aam Aadmi, TMC and NCP can come together. Then they may reach the mark, the magic mark of 1.5 lakh approximately. All these people together only can get BJP out. As I said, if not, one of these major parties among the RGP, Aam Aadmi and TMC have to support the Congress who has already have a fixed vote bank of 1,34,000 plus. And that is the only way to get the BJP out here. If not, this will clearly show the indication of other parties. If each party जरी they independent आपण बसोर सोदिले आपापल्या पार्टीचे, that means they are not here to defeat BJP, they are here to defeat the purpose of the Goans. They are here to defeat the purpose of the Goans. कित्याक ते बरेच जाण 45,000 घेऊन तेंच्यान 1.5 लाख करून आपण ते शुअर जाणे. And everybody knows this. This is a Herculean task. So, if you want to keep Congress out, let me say, I'm not a भक्त of Congress, nor I'm an advocate of Congress. पण काँग्रेसचा बाहेर दोन आज नॅशनल स्टेजीचे देखून you cannot have a good opposition. So as of today, I'm not with Congress. But let's say if you want to keep Congress also out and BJP out, then the only thing Aam Aadmi Party, RGP and TMC has to do along with those independent votes and the NCP votes, they have to come together and field one candidate. Now how they do it, it is up to you all. But anybody who's not for coming together as unit, they are against Goans. Those who are not with us, they are against us. So there are two options. I'm not saying I'll give the cakewalk for Congress. Congress also has takai chod matya mala. So yeah, but we cannot do without the Congress if we want to fight the BJP. Because they are the major opposition among all this. So either we need to help the Congress to win that seat or keep the Congress out. But you people come together, RGP, Aam Aadmi, NCP and TMC, all of you come together and get this seat out either from BJP or from both of them, Congress and BJP. But if each one is separately going to sit, जेव्हा आरजीपी आपण बसत म्हणा, आम आदमी आपण बसत म्हणा, टीएमसी आपण बसत म्हणा, एनसीपी आपण बसत म्हणा जाल्यार ह्या लोकांक तांकां बूथ शिकवची पडटली. हे चारय पार्टींक 1, 2, 3, 4 पार्टींक लोकांक बूथ शिकवची पडटली आनी एकले तेका वोट बांदनासतना मागीर काँग्रेसाक मात पडटली. You want to give defeat to the Congress, it is for RGP, Aam Aadmi, NCP and TMC to come together. हे दोग जाण देखून एकठांय जावन कांय जावपा ना. हे चौगूय एकठांय जाय. हे आमकां सांगता हे चौगूय एकठांय जाय. I am not in favor of the Congress, but statistics says that if these people fight separately, BJP will have the cakewalk. So हे सगळें सांगून हांव देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. पूण एक दुसरी स्टॅटिस्टिक म्हणजे सांगपाक म्हणल्यार BJP in the last election has got almost 9 seats. Congress has got only 6 seats in the south of Goa. Aam Aadmi got 2, RGP has nothing, TMC has nothing, NCP has nothing, independent has 2. So now it is for these people to make the decision whether they should support and form one group, minus Congress, minus BJP. This is one option, as I said. If not, one of these groups, Aam Aadmi, RG, TMC, NCP, will have to support the Congress to keep the BJP out. Once again, I am making it very clear. I am not for Congress. I am for anybody, even other than Congress and BJP, but the rider is all these people has to come together. If not, yes, Aam Aadmi, RG, TMC, NCP, then my only humble request to all the Goans in South Goa, please don't vote any of these people, but vote then the Congress. Dev Bara Guru. Thank you very much.